Hello guys, in this video we are going to be color profile extraction from this image in Android X library. This will be really helpful to generate color combination widget based on the picture. We are going to be extract this color from, these are the colors we extracted from this image. Likewise you need to add this library Android X plate.1.0.0. You no need to use this one is have some vulnerability issues, so I just recommend to use this library in your project. Then you have to add some image in your drawable folder. We are going to be extract variant and muted color from this image. Basically we can extract 6 types of color like this. I just showing some demo how to extract this color. Let's start our fragment. In this fragment we just inflating this XML with respect to image. We have a image view and we just inflating this XML layer here. We are going to be extract some color in this image. So we are going to be convert image from bitmap, so we have to set the bitmap factory and we are going to be decode this image resource. Then we have to pass this plate util library. Then we can get this two type of colors like set vibrant and set muted plate colors. So I just going to be call this function. Here I just making a different view set 1 and 2 3 4 5 6. There are a different type of color we are going to be extract. You can simply call your image ID. Here is the shapeable image view I have created. I just created this shape and I just going to be use this ID and going to be set some color to this image view. So shapeable image view, I just simply going to be get vibrant color default color. So I just going to be set this color to this shape view. I'm using scope function apply open and close bracket. Here I just extract color from this image and then just simply going to be apply this color. Likewise I just going to be set the different color light variant. To set that you can just get light variant. To get dark color you can get dark variant color. Likewise you can extract color from your image. Here I just getting the vibrant color. You can also get this muted color from here. So basically I just using this get light mutant color. Likewise you can get this different color from this image. See you guys in next video. You can get this source code from our GitHub.